Yeah, Black Seas was good, homeboy.
Yo, what up, man? What's
Yeah, let me
poppin',
give you some
man?
space a little bit. Let me give you a little space.
Yo, what's good with you, man? I'm here, you know what I'm saying, to shout out these females on MySpace, you know what I mean?
Alright, cool, yo. Yo, man, how you feel about these MySpace bros, man? What they treating you like, man?
Man, they be frontin', man. I be getting love and all that, but you know, you hit them up, they don't holler back till like a week, 2 weeks later. Like, come on, man. The suckers is messing the game up, son.
Bullshit, right?
Yeah, you know they got the hoodies and the shades on, the tight pants, messing the game up, showing they chest, they stomach. Come on, what is this, America Top Model or
Yeah.
MySpace?
That shit kinda gay, man.
Yo, man, the game is ruined. You know, I'm the first dude to take pictures on the roof, and the dude wanna steal my style and then send my brother a friend request, man. Tell me that ain't crazy, man.
Yo, that shit's fucking retarded, G.
Messing the game up, but it's all good. Y'all dudes, man, y'all gotta stop hollering at these bras mad hard so they can, you know what I'm saying, holler at us, man. Y'all messing the game up, man. For real dudes.
I got you, man.
Yo,
What else on your mind, homeboy?
Love dudes, man. But I know a lot of dudes, they gonna reply, a lot of chicks gonna reply. I know a lot of people, they gonna be like, oh, yo, I'm gonna do that too, yo, I'm gonna start talking junk. I'm still the first to do it, man. Shout out to my brother Eli, Rafis, Ghetto Celebs, you know, the crew, you know what I'm saying?
Alright.
And, you know, it's about it, man. You know what I'm saying? Just had to shout it out, you know what I'm saying? Let y'all know what it is, you know what I'm saying? Holla at me, you know what I'm saying? Let me know what's good of it.
Hating just get you stronger, you understand me?
Hey, it's
That's all it
love,
do, you know what I'm talking
It
about?
ain't nothing, you know what I mean? I'm just had to shout y'all out, you know what I mean? I'm out of here. One.
Later.